Hey guys, so welcome back. Been a while since we talked. We got a little bit of unboxing to do for the U.S. Mint. Part of this was FOMO. I'm not gonna lie. I had a little fear of missing out. Another part of this was they said silver prices on the Mint website were gonna go up October 13th. So October 12th, I jumped on there and bought a couple things that I was interested in, but I wasn't necessarily going to buy. But then when the prices went up, or they said the prices were going to go up, I was like, I better get a hold of some of this. In saying that, I hope I didn't make a bad buy, right? So we'll do the unboxing from the Mint. We'll go over what we got, and I would really, really like to get some feedback from those of you that watch or that watch this, and those of you that have experience in this kind of stuff, because we're all learning, and I can learn from you, and you can learn from me, and I just really appreciate it if you could comment below with some of your thoughts. The first thing was the silver proof set for 2020. I already had one, but when they said the price was going from $63 to $105, I was like, that's a significant jump. Like, oh my goodness. So I wanted to get one of these, and it comes with the West Point nickel. Last year they did the penny. So there's the West Point nickel right there. It's a proof nickel. Now, interestingly enough, last year when they did the penny, they did the proof, the reverse proof, and one other one. This year they were supposed to do the same thing with the nickel. However, they're not going to do the third nickel, I guess, because of COVID, and try to keep Mint employees safe. So it's just your standard silver set with the 5 national park quarters. Remember, this is last year for them. And then of course your regular stuff with your certificate of authenticity. So just a standard silver proof set. Wanted to get that so before the price change. Okay, the other thing I got was some uncirculated American Silver Eagles uncirculated coins 2020. And again, I got these because, again, they said that the prices were going up, and I didn't want to miss out, so I got a couple of 2020s. I ended up getting 2 of them. In coin collecting, they say the rule of threes. I didn't have the money for 3 because they're expensive. So I got 2 of the American Eagle uncirculated coins, and then I got 2 coins I would have never bought. One was the 2020 Basketball Hall of Fame. This is the colorized one. I don't like colorized coins at all, but the reason I got this was A, the price was going up, and B, they said that anybody that gets the basketball colorized coin, there's a certain percentage of them that have the COA signed by the Mint director, David Ryder. And as you can see, there's the silver colorized Basketball Hall of Fame dollar. So I guess I didn't get lucky and get the COA that was signed by the Mint director. I wasn't one of the lucky. There's the COA, but supposedly there was like a handwritten signature if you got lucky, and I didn't get it. Nuts. I just thought that would have been cool. So I don't like colorized coins, but I decided to go for this one just on the off chance that I got that handwritten COA. But the one I did want to get, and this is the one that I'm really kind of proud of, is the 2020 Women's Suffrage Centennial Dollar. I thought that this was great. It signifies the anniversary of the right for women to vote in our country, which was an amazing sign of progress. And I just thought that this was just a phenomenal piece of history to have. Get this out of the thing for you. So as you can see, you have women on the front, E pluribus unum, liberty, $1. And then on the back, you've got 2020, and you've got a couple of things that say, "In God We Trust, United States of America," and then a little seal right there that says "Votes for Women." So I wanted to get that because I just thought that was a special coin. It's silver. Again, we know silver's going up, and I wanted to have a part of history, so I decided to get that. The other thing we got from the mint is very odd. I can't remember what this is, but it's a big box, but it's very, very light, and in it is America the Beautiful quarters, which, for the life of me, I don't know how I got this, but it says the 2020 America the Beautiful quarters circulating coin set. I am not sure why they sent this to me. I don't know. But as you can see, it's all the 2020 quarters that came out. So you have the bat. They're all from the Denver Mint. Yep, Denver and Philadelphia. So they're all from the Denver Mint. You have the Denver up top and the Philadelphia on the bottom. So yeah, I don't know where this came from or why I got it or if I ordered it or what, but got the circulating coin set. I will be checking those out for grades though to see what they look like. Anyways, that's it from the Mint this time. Really would love to hear what you guys think about the 2020 women's right to vote, women's suffrage centennial proof silver proof, and the Basketball Hall of Fame. But please engage, drop a comment below, and love to talk to you more about it. All right, guys, take care.